In today's video, I'm going to show you how to look up train and bus schedules in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and make sure your location is turned on. Next, tap or click the search bar and enter your destination. Once it appears, select it and tap directions. At the top, choose the transit icon, which shows public transportation options like buses and trains. Google Maps will then display available routes, including departure times, travel duration, and estimated arrival times. You can tap on each route to see detailed schedules, stops, and transfer points. If available, Google Maps will also show live updates for delays and next departures. You can also compare different departure times by adjusting the time selector to see future or earlier trips. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check train and bus schedules in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.